Hello and welcome to the Valuehub YouTube channel. My name is Rizvi Naushad Ahmad and I am a Salesforce consultant at Valuehub. This is the first video on the Slack series where we will learn everything related to Slack from basics to advanced. As a Slack certified admin, I have seen the transformative power of this collaboration tool. So this video is going to be the introductory video where we will learn the basics of Slack followed by its other features in detail in the coming videos. So without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, what is Slack? Initially, Slack seems to be a normal messaging software which is used to share knowledge within the organization. But in reality, it is much more. It is a platform that unites knowledge and collaboration, also connects the integration tools along with centralizing the communication and workflows for enhanced productivity. If you ask, why do we need Slack? Well, being able to centralize communication, Slack helps the team to communicate in one place. It also organizes the channels so that we can access the right channel at the right time. The next question is, how does Slack help you grow your business? It does by enhancing the proper collaboration that helps teamwork encouragement and idea sharing among the team members. The third-party integration easily connects with productivity tools such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, etc. It also works as your digital headquarters by supporting flexible and efficient remote collaboration. If we look at the key capabilities and values of Slack, some of the notable features of Slack are file sharing automation and search and archive. If we talk about its automation, it uses workflows to make everyday tasks in Slack easier for you and for your team. Almost any task or process that you perform at work can be automated with it. The search feature works helping you get what you want by narrowing your scope. It helps you to use different tags to get the desired results without spending much time into the unrelated things. In the coming videos, we will talk about these in detail, so don't forget to subscribe to the Value Hub YouTube channel to get the timely updates. Let's get started with the various plans Slack offers. Let us start with the Pro plan. This plan helps you collaborate with other companies using the external channel called Slack Connect. Also, it helps you have a video call enabling both the users to share their screen at the same time using a huddle. Plus, you can have multiple users in a huddle. Automate tools such as workflows and have integrations as well. If you have a small team, then this plan will work best for you. Moving forward, we have the Business Plus plan having all the goodness of the Pro plan in addition to a large number of user provisioning and deprovisioning at the same time. It has SAML-based single sign-on and data exports for all messages. At the end, there is the Enterprise Grid plan which best suits large enterprises. It has all the greatness of a Business Plus plan along with extra securities such as enterprise key management, HIPAA support, a large number of collaboration of up to 500,000 users, and many more great features. Let's talk about the Slack user interface. As you can see, the UI can be divided into three sections. The left side is known as the sidebar, which consists of many things starting with the workspace menu. Here, you can switch between the workspaces. Coming down there, the sections for different things. We have created a section for projects showing right here. Now the list of channels can be seen here. All the public and private channels I am part of can be seen, followed by the list of direct messages going on. In the middle section, we can see the search bar. We can search almost everything in Slack using the powerful search feature. Next is the message box. We can frame our message very engagingly using the rich text feature. And in between, there lies your ongoing conversations. In the third section on the right side is the inspector. We can see the user menu where we can see our profile, change our display photo, and manage notifications. We can also see the description of the channels as well. Let's see how to find and start a conversation in Slack. There are two types of conversations happen in Slack. One is the direct messages and other one is channels. Talking about channels, we have three types of channels in Slack. The first one is public channel. These channels are for the information meant to be for all the employees in the workspace. It is worth mentioning that anyone who joins a workspace also joins the general channel automatically. Every public channel has a symbol hash as a prefix that marks it as a public channel. Moving on comes the private channel. The main purpose of private channels is to restrict the confidential and sensitive information to the required members. These channels can't be searched, so the members can only join these channels by invite only. Every private channel has a log symbol as a prefix to indicate that the channel is private. The third channel is external channel. We also call this channel Slack Connect channel. These channels connect the primary company with other companies to collaborate on the project or other things. The Slack Connect channels can either be public or private based on the company's requirement. Now we will see how to send a message in Slack. We need to go to the sidebar and find the Compose button situated right next to the Workspace menu. We need to enter the desired channel name or the name of the person, type the message and hit the enter button and boom. We have just sent the message. Don't worry, as this is just an introductory video, that's why we are learning the basics today. In the coming videos, we will learn everything in detail practically, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and please like this video as well. It's time to find and join a channel. Click on the search bar located between the sidebar and inspector section. Type the channel name into the search bar. As we have learned earlier that we can only find and join public channels. So if you know any private channel exists and want to join it, you need to ask your Slack admin to let you in. After searching for the public channel you want to join, select the channel from the list and you will find two buttons, Details and Join the channel. Click on the latter one to join in that channel, and to know more about the channel, click on the Details button. Now, see how to accelerate productivity in Slack. To collaborate effectively in Slack, we can use mention features to get the special attention of the particular member. We can use reactions to react with emojis that reduces the unwanted messages, and use threads to arrange a large number of messages on a particular topic separately. Let's see them in detail. We will start with the mention feature. We use this feature as a reference to someone in DMs or to notify one or more than one person in any channel. To use this feature, go to the message box and type at followed by some letters of the person's name. You will see their name in the list. If there are many members with the same name, you can select from the list the desired member or continue entering their name after the add symbol. After that, type your message and hit the enter button. The person for whom we use the mention feature will see the white badge on their sidebar. Now comes the reaction feature. This feature is being used to collaborate with emojis instead of regular messages like OK, nicely done, etc. We can use it to quickly react to a message, update the status of a request, use it as a vote, and express the support. Here's how you can use this feature. Hover over to the message, you will find the reaction icon displayed. Click on the icon and click to select your desired emojis, and that's it. You have used the emoji features. There are some emojis we use very often. Coming towards the thread feature, to make the conversation organized, this feature is very handy as it saves a lot of time looking into the sea of the messages to get the required one. It also helps us to stay focused and stay connected to the original message. Threads are located in the sidebar of Slack just below the workspace name. It is super easy to use this feature. Again, hover over to the message you want to reply to in a thread. Click on the thread icon and reply as you normally do using the message box. And the rest of the things will be done by Slack. Let's move forward to the last part of our video, and that is how we work in Slack. We will learn how we can move our project into a channel. We have broken it down into these 4 steps. Let's see how to create a Slack channel. Before that, let's see a brief benefit of a Slack channel. Remember, we have learned that Slack centralizes the communication. Let's see how Slack does it. It uses channels as they speed up our team's work by putting everything such as people, information, and tools into a single place to get the work done swiftly. We can also categorize the channels by using the best practices such as using the prefix proj for channels related to projects, ext for Slack Connect channel, and so on. Now we will see the steps to create a channel. Let's go to the channel section from the sidebar and click on the connect. We will see 2 options. We need to click on create a channel. We will provide the channel name as per our need. Choose its type and hit the create button, and that's it. The channel is created. Moving towards a step further and adding some key information to the channel. Let's see some of the information that makes a channel informative itself. Some of these things are very important to increase your team's productivity and help you save time for repetitive tasks. It is best practice to update each channel's topics, post a welcome message, as well as upload a pin key files. Slack offers a canvas to share and organize some additional essential information your teams require. Additionally, you can even add your workflows to the canvas. Step number 3, let's talk about adding teammates. Now we will see how to add individuals to the channel. On the top right side, we will click on the cluster of pictures and search for people by name or email. If we want to add people outside our company, we can do it by adding them using their email only, as search by name works only for the people who have already joined the workspace you are in. Now it's time for the last step, and that is execution and coordination of tasks. We can do it by using the mention feature. Also, we can collect votes by emojis, and Slack offers a workflow builder that helps you coordinate swiftly through regular check-ins. So that was the basics of Slack for today. Our next steps will be for the practical sessions. Whatever we have learned in this video, we will be doing that in depth practically. So if you are curious to know how to do it, please subscribe to our channel. And if you run a business and want to implement Slack for your organization, we have multiple Slack certified professionals who can help you implement Slack swiftly. So please connect with us at connect@valuehubit.com. And if you find this video useful, please like it and comment down what you like most. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to the Valuehub YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.